If you are wondering if POCO X8 Pro tends to overheat, then the answer is unfortunately yes. The phone does have some sort of heating issues. You can definitely feel it, even if you use your phone on a typical daily basis. On average, if you just watch some videos and stuff, you can definitely sometimes feel the phone getting warmer, which technically it shouldn't be the case if you don't do anything really demanding for the phone, but still you can definitely feel the phone getting a little bit hotter, and you can definitely feel it when you of course start performing very demanding tasks for the phone, such as playing games, benchmarks of course. If you start using camera for a longer time, you can definitely feel or notice the higher temperature as well. The good thing is that I didn't notice any change in the performance. I didn't see any performance issues due to higher temperature, but of course I'm not saying that it is something that never happens. I just personally didn't notice it, but still of course it can happen if you have higher temperature of the device. So unfortunately you have to keep in mind that POCO X8 Pro may overheat. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.